I think it has a tremendous first mover advantage. But first of all, thank you very much for having me. And I think the idea with Roblox is it's unique. So there's three real special parts of it. It's a social network, so it has those sort of network effects, right? And it has a sort of a platform and development aspect to it. And, put those two together and people, cooperate and have fun building games, sort of amateur game builders. But then it's also got a lot of really compelling games on top of that platform. And, obviously they paid out $130 million in developer fees. And there are a lot of, an increasing number of developers, right, making very compelling games. So it's very compelling online gameplay. I don't know of any company that really has those three things like that together, especially with the, sort of the open-ended opportunity that Roblox has with, things that are not entertainment, beyond, looking at data visualization and these kinds of things. So that's kind of and it's that last part, I would like to see tomorrow during the Investor Day. I'd like to see them, give them some hints and tell us a little bit more about how they might be looking at that. I know today they announced that they're going to be hitting the education market with, games for education, gamifying education, which I think has been a long time coming, and a lot of people have tried. But I think these guys might have. Roblox might have a real good chance of fulfilling that, which, really a pretty significant upside potential going forward.
But is Facebook's complete focus on the metaverse and rebrand its name to reflect that, including the billions in spending that they're going to do, a threat to a Roblox?
I don't think so. Okay, of course there could be a threat. But I think Roblox is probably their more direct competitors are the likes of Minecraft, right, which is owned by Microsoft now, which is probably the most similar, comparable sort of experience and platform. I think there are other higher end platforms that the Creation Engine. There's a number of those that are out there. Some are private. So I would look to those. It's going to be a long haul for Facebook to do what Roblox has been doing for almost 20 years. They coined the phrase metaverse about what they were going to do almost 20 years ago now. And you have to be able, a lot of that trial and error and making mistakes and fixing, that's experience that you can't replicate, even if you're Facebook with all the money that you got, right? That's a very tough experience and how to scale it and all kinds of different ins and outs of it. And they've already established it. It's already built. It's an ecosystem, right, that is already feeding itself. So,
well, you like the stock. 134 is your target. John, thanks for joining us.